Hello dear students, in this video I am going to discuss the questions and its solution on congruence modulo. So as you are seeing a question on the screen, that is what is the remainder when 2020 to the power 2020 when divided by 2021. So here we have to find out remainder, right? So it is very big number. Let us start the solution. So this question will be very easy if you solve or apply the concept of congruence modulo, right? So here we know that with the help of congruence modulo that 2020, if you divide 2020 by 2021, so you will have like 1 mod 2000 minus 1 mod 2021. So by the definition of congruence modulo, we can say that when you divide 2020 by 2021, you will have same remainder as if you divide minus 1 by 2021. Or else you can also verify it like 2021 is 0 mod 2021. As I said earlier in my previous video that when you divide 2021 by 2021, then remainder is 0. Right. So by this way we can check also. So here if you take the first equation, 2020 to the power 2020 will give minus 1 raised to power 2020 mod 2021. Means if you divide this 2020 to the power 2020 by 2021 will leave same remainder when you divide minus 1 to the power 2020 mod 2021. As we already discussed this thing in property of congruence modulo. So this will become minus 1 to the power even thing. So it will be positive. Whenever the power is even, then negative of anything will become positive. So it is 1 to the power 2020 mod 2021, and it is same as 1 because 1 to the power anything that is 1 only, 1 mod 2021. Hence the solution is 1. Or you can say that when you divide 2020 to the power 2020 by 2021, you will get 1 as a remainder. Now next question is, what is the last two digit of this number, that is 3 to the power 1234, right? So 3 to the power 1234 is a very big number, and here my intention is to find out the last two digit, right? Last one digit, like it is very big number, right? But I want to find last two digit, ones place and tens place. This is ones place and this is tens place, right? So we want to find this last two digit number, and you know already that ones place digit can be find out by using cyclicity. Cyclicity of 3 is 4, so you can easily tell what is the last digit, that is 3 to the power 1 3, 3 to the power 2 9, 3 to the power 3 that is 27, 3 to the power 4 that is 81, and 3 to the power 5 that is 243. You can see here that last digit is repeated after fourth power 3971, right? So by the help of cyclicity we can find what is the last digit, but last two digit is not possible to find out with the help of cyclicity. For this, if you want, let us see what would be the last digit by using cyclicity. See here power is 1234, and so after each 4 cycle it will repeat the last digit. So we will divide 1234 by 4. If you divide 123 by 4, 1234 by 4, you will get 2 as remainder. So 2 as remainder, so last digit is 9. It is confirmed. So last digit is 9. We know by the help of cyclicity, but we have to find this digit also. So we will take the help of congruence modulo. So let us solve this problem with the help of congruence modulo. By the definition of congruence modulo, we know that 3 to the power 4 is congruent with minus 19 mod 100, because when you divide 81 by 100 will leave same remainder when divided minus 19 by 100. So just raise the power of 3 to the power by 308, that is 3 to the power 4 to the power 308 is equivalent to minus 19 to the power 308 mod 100. So this will give 3 to the power 1232, that is equivalent to, because minus 19 to the power 300 power is even, so minus become positive and it will become 19 to the power 308 mod 100, right? But we need 3 to the power 1234. So for getting 3 to the power 1234, we have to multiply 3 square on both sides by using the property of congruence modulo. So this is 31232 multiplied by 3 square. Similarly, you have to multiply over here 19 to the power 308 into 3 square mod 100. Right, it will give you 3 to the power 1234 congruence modulo with 19 to the power 308 into 9 mod 100. Now my intention is to simplify this, right? So for simplifying this, we will find 19 power. So 19 power 19 square is 361. So when you do this 61, it is congruent with 61 mod 100, because when you divide 361 by 100, it will remainder 61, and on division of 61 by 100, it will leave same remainder as 61, right? So here 19 cube is congruent to 59 mod m, or else you can also write that 19 cube is congruent to minus 41 mod 100. This would be same, because if you find out the power 19 cube, that is 6859. So this is equivalent to congruent to uh, minus 41 mod 100, right? And here it is also can be written as 6859 is congruent modulo with 59 mod 100, right? So any one of the cases you can use to solve the problem. Ultimately we have to find out the simplified form of this 19 to the power 308 into 9 mod 100. So let us multiply these two equations. So you will have 19 to the power 5 is congruent to 61 into 59 mod 100, or else you can use this also 19 cube into 19 to the power 2, that is equal to 61 into minus 41 mod 100. So you can use any one of them, you will get the same answer, right? So this is congruent to 61 into 59, that is 3599 mod 100, right? So 3599 mod, that is 3599 congruent to minus 1 mod 100. We can write that, right? So we need 19 to the power 5 whole to the power. See, we required here 308. So what we will do, we will raise the power so that we will have 308. So we can't get multiple 5 that will become 308. So we will multiply with 61, that will give you 19 to the power 305, right? And that is equivalent to 3599 whole to the power 61 mod 100, which is same as minus 1 whole to the power 61 mod 100. So this is the property of congruence modulo, which is I already discussed in previous video, that A is congruent to B mod M and B is congruent to C mod M, then A is congruent to C mod M. Very important property which I am going to use here, right? So it will give minus 1, power is odd, so it will give minus 1 only, mod 100. Now here right hand side you will have 19 to the power 305, but we required 19 to the power 308 into 9. So what we will do here, we will multiply 19 to the power cube on both sides. So here when you multiply 19 cube on both sides, you will have 19 to the power 308 is congruent to minus 19 cube mod 100, right? So what else we required? 9. So we will multiply 9 also with this. So 19 to the power 308 into 9 is congruent with minus 19 cube into 9 mod 100, right? And we can find out here 19 to the 308 into 9 is congruent with 19 cube. Minus 19 cube is minus 6859 into 9 mod 100. This will give 9 into 6859 will minus 61,731 mod 100. So I already said if minus is there, you can write it very easily. Minus 61,731 is congruent modulo with plus 69 mod 100. So that is equal to 19,308 into 9 is congruent to 69 mod 100. Again use the same property, A is congruent to B mod M and B is congruent to C mod M, then A is congruent to C mod M, right? So hence this is same as 3 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4 is congruent to 69 mod 100, and hence we can say that 69 as the last two digit of this number.